Hi, I'm Heather, and I am about to unbox my new shipment from Pete's Paleo. So, I get this wonderful package once a week, and this is what it consists of. This is on dry ice. It's completely insulated. And this is what it looks like. So I have 10 here. I'm gonna show you what we get. These are amazing gourmet meals. One of the things that I love, actually, is how incredibly delicious the food is. Pete actually was trained at Le Cordon Bleu, so he has remarkable food. Anytime we share this food with people, they can't believe it. So let me tell you a little bit about this. I have been doing Pete's Paleo for actually 8 years now. I've been ordering from this amazing company. I find it incredibly convenient. That's why I keep ordering it. I love that this food is all pre-cooked. There's nothing I have to assemble or put together at all. It's already been taken care of. It is about 5 minutes from the time I take it out of my refrigerator, heat it on my skillet, and then put it on the table. Truly 5, no more than 10 minutes to do that. You can also microwave it. I just heat mine up in the skillet every time. But these are the amazing dishes that you get. I want to show you something. Here's what I love. They do these great packaging now where you've got all of the nutrition facts on here, and also it lets you know what the item is. So you can look at it and say, I wonder what that is. Oh, it's the mushroom crusted pork tenderloin with kale and blistered tomatoes. Sounds great. So it's wonderful, the packaging and all the nutrition. One of the things that I also love about it is what an incredible time saver this is. I used to go to 3 grocery stores to get all of the food that I needed to make my paleo meals. Now it's very easy because it is already set here, so it's a true time saver. The other thing is I think that the cost is remarkable. So the price is great, and quite frankly, between the time it took me to go get all of the different food that I needed from all the grocery stores and prepare everything, and the money that it costs to purchase everything, it's right about equal, because it really is pretty expensive to get paleo meats and vegetables, but obviously this company is able to get it in bulk. So I don't know how they keep their prices where they do. I'm just very thankful for the price. The other thing that I love, this is one of my favorites. The other thing that I love is this is truly paleo. So the meat is generally grass-fed. It's always organic. The same thing with the produce. They're very deliberate at this company about putting as much local produce as possible, keeping it sustainable if possible, always organic. In the meat, there's no nitrites or nitrates. There's no hormones, no pesticides on any of the produce. So it truly is healthy food, paleo. The paleo way. So, there's another giant black ice on the bottom here. So the thing that I love about this is I pop all these wonderful meals into the refrigerator. I use them throughout the week. If I have an extra 1 or 2 left over, I'll pop it into the freezer, and they're good in the freezer for a really long time. The one thing I have to tell you is if you have not tried Pete's Paleo Bacon, this is my gift to you. Try it. It is literally like crack. 1 year, about 6 years ago, we gave a pound of bacon to every one of our friends from Pete's Paleo because it is that delicious. So just do yourself a favor and get that. Okay, so the last thing I want to say is I started using Pete's Paleo, I mentioned, about 8 years ago, and my gym was doing a 30-day paleo challenge. And I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this challenge and figure this out. I read the books about paleo, got all the information, got the foundation, and Pete and his wife Sarah had actually, I guess, worked out at my gym, and I was recommended to start using this wonderful new company that was starting up. And I loved the idea because as a mom that was super busy with kids, husband, job, all these different things, I was able to not have to create everything myself the first time around. So I actually thought, well, I'll get the food, I'll figure some of it out, and then I'll try to replicate it if I can, which is a total joke. I cannot cook like Pete. But after 30 days of being on paleo, using the Pete's Paleo program and eating this meal at least once a day, sometimes I would do twice. We were getting quite a bit because I was trying to learn what I could and couldn't eat. But after 30 days, I lost 16 pounds. And it was pretty astonishing. I wasn't even trying to lose weight. It just fell right off. I actually had planned to do it for 60 days, even though my gym did the 30-day challenge. So I continued that plan. And the next 30 days, I lost another 6 pounds. So I lost 22 pounds just eating Pete's Paleo and living a clean paleo lifestyle. So I'm a big fan. I'm an advocate for it. And I hope that you can find it as wonderful as I do. Thanks so much for listening.